Welcome back to Lansing Island Lot 45, where we have completed our mechanical, electrical, and plumbing roofs. We start with our HVAC, where the installers run their ductwork from the mechanical room situated in our garage to the necessary locations throughout the house. Our mechanical room will eventually be home to our 2 air handlers. The ducts run through the attic and drop down to either a supply or a return on the other side of the ceiling. The plumbers will follow behind HVAC with their top routes, where they'll bring their water out of the slab and through the framing, and any exhaust piping through the roof to vent sewer gases. At the same time, they'll run gas piping throughout the house to provide natural gas for cooking and heating purposes. The piping typically runs through the attic. If the house calls for any tubs, the plumbers install them in this phase. Whereas HVAC tends to work alone, the electricians can work alongside the plumbers or arrive after they're finished. They lay out and install their electrical boxes for the corresponding switches and outlets. They will also fasten the recessed cans to the trusses for overhead lighting. They then run their wires up through the top plate of the framing and make the connection to the breaker panel. The low voltage crew generally works a few days behind the electricians or when the electricians are completely finished. The low voltage crew runs the structured wiring or Ethernet cables for communications and security systems. Security wiring runs to every door and window in the house, ultimately connecting to the alarm system. Low voltage is responsible for items like in-ceiling speakers, TV connections, and Smurf tube, which is used for pre-wiring and future cable upgrades. In this clip, our Smurf tube is actually orange. We wrap up our MEP phase by fire foaming the penetrations through every top plate and ensuring that our gas and water lines hold pressure. We do such as we're required to pass inspection before hanging drywall. After we pass our inspection, we can move forward with insulating the house. In this particular house, we used open cell spray foam insulation in the attic above our living spaces. Alternatively, we used fiberglass bat insulation above our non-living spaces, like in our garage and in our garage partition. While all of that was happening on the inside, we've completed a few things on the exterior. First and foremost was our wire lath. The stucco contractor installs stucco bead around our corners and around every door and window to complete stucco banding in the future. They'll also put wire lath over any boxed out areas where there's framing underneath. The roofers will proceed to deliver our concrete tile, load it onto the roof, and then start installation. On this house, we have a flat brown tile. While an asphalt shingle roof can be installed in a day or so, a concrete tile roof will take about a week to complete. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next video with drywall, cabinets, flooring, and more.
DiPrima Homes, building luxury since 1961.